Ooh, it feels so soft and so nice against my skin. Oh, hey guys, check out this power bank. What's up guys, my name is Mario and I do mobile tech accessory reviews so you don't have to. Don't forget guys, you can still win this. Wait till the end of the video. All right, part 3. My final thoughts on this Naztech PowerBolt Power Bank. Right now, it's a 10,000 milliamp power bank, which is very nice. It's got enough power to charge like my phone, it'll probably charge about 2 to 3 times. I have an iPhone Pro Max. It's rubberized, it's nice, it's a nice finish, it feels nice in the hand. All you need is one cable to use it, okay? That makes it very convenient. So, the 3 F's, form, it's a very pretty power bank. Function, it's fantastic for function because all you gotta do is carry on one cable, one wall charger, and the power bank to recharge it. That's it. And friendliness. Is it friendly to use? Yes, it is very friendly to use. It also has wireless charging. It's got the PD, USB-C, and fast charge as well. You can actually charge 3 devices at once with this power bank. One wireless, one on the fast charge, and one on the USB-C out. Phone, function, and friendliness, check, check, check. 10 out of 10 would recommend. If you have an iPhone and you're looking for a new power bank, this is very, very convenient for iPhone users. Okay, now you can use it with a Samsung and any other wireless charging or any device you want, but it's really geared for the iPhone user. Pick one up at Naztech.com. Use coupon code MMTR25 to get 25% off. That being said, this is priced out at $69.99. 25% off of that is a nice deal. And don't forget, guys, they also have Afterpay as well, so that you can split those up in even payments. So what is it to think about? Just go ahead and get one. Also, guys, don't forget, Father's Day is coming up. Dad'll love one of these guys. So like I said at the beginning of the video, you can get a chance to win this 10,000 milliamp power bank. All you gotta do is share this with your friends, and then once we get to 1,000 followers, then we're gonna do a live event and we're gonna pick out from all those people. Don't forget, guys, to like and follow for more.